Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning everyone.
Good morning, Miss.
How are you today?
I'm fine, and you?
I am fine too. Thank you. Okay, before we start class, Miss will check attendance today. Yang Miss panggil namanya, please your hand. Okay? Dian,
Present, Miss.
Zen.
Present, Miss.
Okay, hadir semua ya hari ini. Okay, are you ready to study English student?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. Before we learn next the material, we sing together. Do you agree? Setuju?
Yes.
Nah, jadi sebelum kita belajar ke materi selanjutnya, kita bakalan nyanyi dulu sama-sama. Okay, Miss give example and repeat after me. And we sing together. Dan setelah itu kita bakal nyanyi sama-sama, okay? 1, 2, 3. Good morning everybody, how are you? Just fine. Good morning everybody, how are you? Just fine. Good morning to you, good morning to me. Good morning everybody, how are you? Just fine. Oke, repeat after me. Miss nyanyi dulu, baru kalian ikuti berdua, oke? Okay? 1, 2, 3. Good morning everybody, how are you? Just fine.
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 Good morning to you, good morning to me. Good morning everybody, how are you? Just fine.
Good morning to you, good morning to me. Good morning everybody, how are you? Just fine.
Okay, and now we sing together. Dan sekarang kita bakal nyanyi sama-sama. Okay, are you ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Good morning everybody, how are you? Just fine. Good morning everybody, how are you? Just fine. Good morning to you, good morning to me. Good morning everybody, how are you? Just fine.
Once more, lebih semangat dong. Ayo semangat. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Good morning everybody, how are you? Just fine. Good morning everybody, how are you? Just fine. Good morning to you, good morning to me. Good morning everybody, how are you? Just fine.
Okay, give applause. Okay, now student, do you know about the lesson today? Ada yang tahu kita hari ini bakal belajar apa?
No.
No. Okay, today we will learn about greeting and leave taking. Jadi hari ini Miss bakal ngajarin kalian tentang greeting and leave taking. Okay. Anybody know about the greeting or leave taking? Ada yang tahu apa itu greeting sama leave taking?
No, Miss.
Okay. Now let's begin our lesson. Okay. Di sini Miss give explain about the greeting and leave taking. Greeting is an act of communication in which human beings internationally make their presence known to each other. Jadi greeting itu adalah ungkapan sapaan. Jadi maksudnya di situ ketika kita bertemu dengan orang, misal nih, Miss ketemu sama teman Miss. Terus Miss menyapa teman Miss. Nggak mungkin kan kalau kita bertemu seseorang nggak nyapa. Mungkin si Dian kalau ketemu temannya pasti nyapa kan. Nah, misalnya kalimat sapaan seperti ini. Halo Rita, good morning. Nah, si Rita menjawab, halo Mita, good morning. Itu. Nah, good morning itu merupakan bentuk kalimat sapaan. Jadi yang dimaksud kalimat sapaan tadi, kita menyapa seseorang ketika kita sedang bertemu. Nah, while leave taking is the act of saying goodbye or exiting or departing. Leave taking maksudnya di sini yaitu ungkapan berpamitan. Nggak mungkin tuh kita sudah bertemu langsung pergi aja gitu kan, nggak mungkin. Pasti adalah kita ninggalin kalimat berpamitan. Contohnya, you example, Miss meet friend. Miss tadi ketemu teman Miss, terus Miss mau pergi buru-buru. Nah, jadi Miss apa sih? Miss ninggalin ungkapan berpamitan seperti oke, Rita, see you. Si Rita menjawab, see you Mita. Gitu. Nah, terus juga di sini greeting have two different, informal sama formal. Formal itu kalimat formal itu bisa kita tujukan kepada orang yang lebih tua, seperti orang tua, orang yang seperti presiden atau orang yang terhormat. Sedangkan informal itu kayak ke lebih ke teman dekat. Cak teman sebaya, Cak Dian tuh ngomong dengan kawannya pasti lo gue kan. Kalau sama Ibu Dian pasti ya Bu nanti Dian sini gitu. Itu yang dimaksud dengan informal dan informal. Oke, lebih jelasnya Miss bakal nunjukin kalimat ungkapan sapaan atau greeting atau ungkapan berpamitan leave taking. Kita bisa lihat Miss sudah buat contoh kalimat greeting atau ungkapan sapaan beserta responnya. Pertama, hi, hello. Responnya menjawab hi or hello seperti Miss tadi, Kak. Miss contohin di awal tadi itu. Nah, terus yang and second, good. Good itu can be good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night. Responnya good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. And the third, how are you? How are you itu sama kita seperti Miss nanya kabar kalian di awal pelajaran kita tuh. Nah, jadi how are you itu menanyakan kabar. Nah, responnya fine or great or I'm fine, thanks. And the fourth, how are you doing? Responnya not bad. Not bad itu sama seperti artinya itu tidak buruk. Kalau never better lebih baik. And the last, how do you do? The responnya how do you do? Okay. And next, leave taking atau ungkapan pamitan. Leave taking di sini have to seek and the first see you and the response see you and two see you later or next time or tomorrow. Jadi bisa see you later, bisa can be see you next time, can be tomorrow, and responnya see you later or next time or tomorrow. And the third, see you again. Responnya see you again. And goodbye, responnya same, goodbye. And take care, responnya okay, thanks. Thanks ini can be thanks, bisa juga thank you. And the last, nice to meet you. The response, nice to meet you too. Okay. Lebih jelasnya lagi, nih, Miss udah make give example conversation antara dua orang. Miss baca sekali, contoh sekali, and setelah itu after repeat me. Ikuti setelah Miss, okay? Yeah. Hello Dika, good afternoon. Hello Sinta, good afternoon. How are you today? I'm fine. How about you? I'm better. Where are you going? I'm going to the library. Would you like to accompany me? No, I have to go back home right now. Okay, Dika, see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Okay. Once more. Repeat after me. Okay? Hello, Dika. Good afternoon.
Hello Dika, good afternoon.
Hello, Sinta. Good afternoon.
Hello Sinta, good afternoon.
How are you today?
How are you today?
How are you today?
I'm fine. How about you?
I'm fine. How about you?
I am better.
I'm better.
Where are you going?
Where are you going?
I'm going to the library.
I'm going to the library.
Would you like to accompany me?
Would you like to accompany me?
No, I have to go back home right now.
No, I have to go back home right now.
Okay, Dika, see you tomorrow.
Okay, Dika, see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Oke. Lebih jelasnya lagi di sini, Miss have videos percakapan antara dua orang. Kita tonton sama-sama ya.
Dialogue 1. Hello, good
merupakan kalimat sapaan ya, kalimat greeting. Ya, kedua.
Chris, this is my sister. Her name is Anna. Hello, Anna. My name is Chris. Hi, Chris. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Dialect 3. Hi, what's up? I'm not feeling well. I'm having stomach ache. Really? Get well soon. Thanks. The next part is about
Oke,
making expression dialect.
itu tadi udah Miss give example conversation and videos, and now Miss give several time to read about the material, and Miss will give you an assignment, make a conversation about the material we have learned. Jadi Miss kasih kalian waktu untuk baca lagi materinya dan pahami. Setelah itu Miss ngasih tugas suruh kalian membuat conversation, and you practice in front of class. Okay? Okay, now Dian and Zain, silakan practice your conversation. Mulai.
Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
My name is Dian. What is your name?
My name is Zen.
What are you doing here?
I am waiting for my sister.
Oh, okay. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay, sekian pelajaran hari ini. Do you understand, student?
Yes.
Okay, so when you meet a friend, teacher, or anyone else, you can use the greet. Jadi ketika kalian ketemu teman atau orang yang lebih tua atau teman sebaya atau siapapun itu, kalian bisa menggunakan kalimat greeting or leave taking tadi. Okay, finally we have run out of time. We'll continue next lesson and see you again. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.